Well guys, welcome again to... Yay, well it's Easter Sunday, so what are we going to do? Throw an egg. Aye, roll an egg. And hopefully the seagulls will not grab it. That's what happened last year when we tried this. Right, on you go guys. Oh, it's not much of a hill mind you, but there you go. Oh, there you are. There it is, straight away, straight in. There, the flying rats hit it again. Get them, Sparky, get them. Right, try throwing yours again, Faith, see if the seagull... Oh, you're on your way. Look at them. Right, on we go. She's playing football with it now. Watch that seagull.
That seagull won't want it.
We've started a commotion here. Oh, for God's sake. Hey, that's enough of that. What a lovely day. It wasn't supposed to be anything like this. So we'll make the most of it and head towards the wee beach in the Marina, which will be mobbed no doubt. We'll not get a pint around, but we'll see. And just see the pencil in the background. We'll be heading towards there and the Marina just behind it. Nice wee sandy beach that not many people know about, which is why I shouldn't be filming it, but there you go. Oops, Marky's wee pal. And the pencil just ahead. Almost there. There's a Marina just there, the sailing club as well. And across the railway there's where the kids all train for the football.
Little gap.
They've run in to try and see if they can bag a seat for us. I'm trying to sit in the outdoor bit, because obviously we've got the dog. I think they allow dogs into a certain section, but a dog and 4 kids isn't the greatest thing indoors. If you've been watching any of the videos, you'll know what I mean. That's us just approaching the wee courtyard. There's the outdoor party Scots, and there's also another restaurant as well here. I'll show you about. Yeah, we got our favourite wee indoor spot. It's a wee bit too nice to sit indoor, mind you, so we maybe sit in the wee couple of seats out here. I thought it'd be a lot busier. And again, there's the courtyard bistro and bar. There's also a wee takeaway shop. And there's where you buy all your nautical stuff in there. I've actually done a wee tour in there in one of the videos. If you look through, you'll see it. Brilliant. I can get a pint. Hey, hey, happy Easter. There you go. Everybody's happy. I will be when my pint comes. Enjoying that, Laduska? There you go. Not even a reaction. I'll try Ragnar now. What you playing, Ragnar?
A game.
A game, oh that's... There you go. That's about as much information as you're going to get. Right, Sparky? Hello?
Oh.
You want some chips?
Not a study.
Oh, we're on a budget, Faith. I've got tenants. We're on an Easter budget.
There is no such a thing like a budget in this place.
Oh, I will.
Even tenant is not a budget.
Whereas you get a lovely... Oh, look at that. No expense spared for the coffee. That should have been an Nescafe job. Well, I'm getting a tenants. Yeah, that's even got a heat on it. Oh well. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, there we go. The chips and mozzarella sticks. I'll be lucky if I get a chip.
They're not for you.
No, no, I know they're no.
You got a tenant.
I've got a tenants.
That's your lunch.
That's it. So that you can eat all the lovely food. And I got a tenants. Alright.
Sound down. Do you not like that?
It's probably my least favourite
Least
lager,
what?
but it is what it is. Oh, here he comes. Boy wonder.
Is this Ragnar's chips?
There we go, that's everybody fed and watered. Back to the beach. Hey, at least it's no swing park.
Yeah, it will. Then you can get... I see a seal. Then you can get 100 Just kidding, I don't. Then you can get after me. I want 100 pounds.
Yeah, let's see how this goes. Hey, what?
I'm just kidding. Keep going. I'm gonna help you. Are you ready?
Uh-huh. It's quite riveting.
That's you. Are you ready?
Yeah? Oh, that was amazing. Well done, Faith, well done.
Whose turn is it next? Mine. I have two.
Right, let's go quick. Oh, there you go.
No, I have one more. Watch out, Ragnar. Then I don't know how you have been. Ah! Then can I hold your have been?
Right, let's go, Ragnar.
No, hold the have been. And you'll put down how you have been.
Okay. Oh, look at that hot. Whoa, hey, there you go.
Now my turn. Bye-bye.
Right, I'll see you later on. So he's away to gymnastics, so we're just going to go over in the distance to the beach. Okay, let's go. Some nice houses there just across the railway. I bet they've got some views. Oh no, unless I win the lottery. I'll get about 2 million subscribers. I was looking for somebody to throw us the... Oh, he's off! Right guys, well that'll do us for today. And I hope you all had a good Easter. And if you can just like and subscribe to the channel, that would be absolutely amazing. It really helps us out a lot. And it doesn't cost a jot. Okay guys, happy Easter, cheerio!